Hey y'all, we're gonna make some delicious fish soup. Let's get over to the ingredients. We're gonna need some fresh or frozen, which I'm using frozen here, fish, thawing, potatoes, onion, garlic, carrots, fresh dill, diced tomatoes, garlic, bay leaves, heavy cream, and salt. That is it. Chop up your onion, throw it in the soup pot. We're making this in the soup pot. So until it's lightly golden, grate your carrots, throw it in with the onions. Then chop up your garlic and have your tomatoes opened. So once everything softens, throw in the garlic and the tomatoes. You can use fresh or canned, works wonderful. Mix it up just for about a minute. Then we're gonna be pouring in our water. All right, that's done. Here's our potatoes, peeled and diced and washed. Then we're just gonna throw it in with our bay leaves and have our fish diced up and ready. I like to dice them once it's slightly frozen because it slices easily and in perfect cubes rather than being smushed. So you want to remove all this fuzzy stuff, throw it in the fish and the potatoes and the bay leaves. So you want to throw that. Once it starts to boil, throw in, and then we're just gonna let this cook for until the potatoes are cooked, and season with some salt, of course. And I like some steak seasoning. Oh yeah. All right. So once it starts boiling, keep it on medium-low so it's a slightly boil. And then once that's done, you're gonna want to pour in heavy cream. Do it to your liking. Like if you want more creamy, add more, or you can add less. And there you have it. Just let it, after you put in the heavy cream, let it come to a strong boil and then turn off the heat or remove from the heat. There you have it. Delicious, creamy tomato, potatoes, and carrots, and fish. Yum. Like and subscribe till next time. Thank you.